All right, so um, we just saw the or we just wait.
A few moments later.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel here in YouTube. I'm going to show you a very quick review about the Miniso phone lens. It's 3-in-1. Okay, so right now includes a wide angle macro lens and fish eye lens, okay, and the color of which is black. Okay, so I bought this from Miniso, and this is the Miniso Japan. So the reason why I purchased this product because it came from Japan, and we all know Filipinos that if the product is made from Japan, that the quality of the same is standard as well. So it gives us peace of mind that it came from Japan. This phone lens 3-in-1 from Miniso Japan, it includes a pouch, okay, so you can place the phone lenses here inside because the phone lenses are made of glass, okay. So the first phone lens that I'm going to show you is this. If you notice, the phone lens is covered, or there's a cover included when you're going to purchase this. It is a rubber included to mask the lens. Okay, I'm going to remove the cover now. Okay, so here it is. The cover is like somehow a plastic or a rubber plastic, so it's friendly with the lens, so you have it won't scratch your lens. Okay, this lens that I'm showing you right now is the fish eye lens, 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's the effect of using this fish eye lens from Miniso Japan. So right now I'm going to demonstrate. I want to let you know that the camera I'm using right now is from my iPhone 5s, and it's not the back camera but the front camera, and we all know that the back camera is like 8 megapixels but the front cam is just like 1.2 megapixels. So that's what I'm currently using. But I will put this in my front camera, the fish eye lens, and let's see what's the effect. And we're going to check as well which one is more suitable for doing a vlog like indoors. Alright, so here is the clip. Okay, this clip, you're going to attach this one to your camera, phone camera. So if there's a circle here herein, and we're going to put this inside the circle. Okay, as simple as that. So that's how you're going to put the fish eye lens to the clip. Okay, so here we go. Our goal for this video is to check the quality of the three lenses, okay, and also we're going to check which one we're going to use for vlogging. All right, I'm quite excited because this lenses from Miniso Japan is very affordable. Okay, so I will show you the price later. Okay,
a few moments later.
all right, so right now let's get the ball rolling and let's check if this fisheye lens has the best quality for our phone. Here we go. Alright. Okay, I successfully clipped the fisheye lens on my front camera of my iPhone 5s, and if you notice, it covers a wide range over there, and also the wide range over here. If you check that, the side over here is curving, and also the side over here, it's a fisheye lens. So I think this is good for outdoor adventure. Okay, so if you want to film outdoors, if you want to go on travel, so I would recommend to use fisheye lens. So it's quite wide, and the focus is very nice. I like this. I like this. All right. So again, what we are trying right now is the fisheye lens, and comment down below what are your key takeaway of this fisheye lens. So our next item that we're going to check is the wide lens. Okay, so the wide lens also includes a cover. Okay, so let me remove the fisheye lens first. Okay, here we go. So right now, I'm going to show you the wide lens. So for you to know that you are using a wide lens, macro lens, or a fisheye lens, the lens has a name on the side. Okay, so for example, I don't know if you can read over there. It says wide. Wide. Okay. Yeah, it's wide, and then beneath the wide is the macro lens. Okay, so it should be attached. If you're going to use the wide lens, it should be attached on the macro lens. Okay, so right now let's check the effect of our Miniso Japan wide lens. So make sure that, or you won't touch the glass, okay, to make sure that it's more clear and more visible if you're going to take videos or you're going to shot photos. All right, so I'm going to insert now the wide eye lens, and again, be careful to not to touch the lens. Okay, all right, here we go. So let's so you see the effect earlier for the fisheye lens, and right now our goal is to check the effect for the wide lens, and so we can see the difference. And again, our goal is to check which lens that is best for indoor like vlogging. Okay, so here we go. All right. Okay, I'm going to remove this again, and let's see the effect. Okay, the camera is closer, and if we're going to input so we just witness the effects of the wide angle lens, and we are able to differentiate from fisheye lens to the wide angle lens. I'm starting to love the wide angle lens because it's more suitable for indoor video shooting. Okay, so I really love that, and I would highly recommend using the wide angle lens if you're going to film yourself indoors. With the fisheye lens, this one over here, and then we're also done with the wide angle lens. We will move on to our last item, macro lens. Okay, based on the description over here, okay, if you're going to film or shoot or take a picture using the macro lens, it should be like 15 centimeters, okay, from the item that you want. For example, if I'm going to attach this there, it's blurred. You can't. It's blurred. So right now, I'm going to insert this again, and I will focus a very tiny item, or phrases or letters, and let's see if it's clear enough to read those small letters or phrases. Okay, there you go. If we're going to use our own camera, if we're going to check it closer to a tiny phrases, it's sometimes blurred, right? However, I was able to conclude that using macro lens in taking tiny items is more suitable and more effective way to obtain a clear and sharp photos or videos. So at least right now you're able to when to use the macro lens. That's it. If you have comments, just comment down below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will be uploading more videos every week. My name is FJ, and see you on my next video. Goodbye!